Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Enix's Unboxing. Today we will be unboxing the Amanda plushie from YouTube, so let's get into it. Okay, there she is in the bag. Now let's get her out of the bag. Okay, there she is. There's Amanda. We got her out. Now, here's the tag. Here it is. And, here's the back of the tag, and let's see the touch tag. There's the touch tag, doesn't say anything much important, doesn't have the game logo on it. But yeah, that was another successful episode of Enix Unboxing.